Inside the callback function, create a new const variable, okay, called collision detection rules, and assign it an empty array. Okay, and inside that array, add a boolean expression. So what is a boolean expression? I think it's look like this here. All of these are a boolean expression, and I think it is also these are also considered boolean expression. Is it, or is it a logic operator? But anyways, my point is that these are a boolean expression, or at least what I think, which checks whether the player's position y. Okay, so inside our array, we call in or access the player, and then the position y plus the player's height. Okay, player height is less than or equal to the platform position, and that position would be y. So that would be it. Nice.